guys, welcome to Beauty School. My name is Min Sandhu. I'm a celebrity makeup artist and I'm going to show you today a natural, beautiful, glowing makeup look. So for me, one of the most important things about achieving a natural, fresh, glowy makeup look is skin preparation. At the moment, I'm using this amazing Gold Rescue Cream by Omorovitsa. I find this cream just gives a really great base for makeup. It leaves my skin feeling plump and moisturized. Another thing I really like to do is give my skin a really good massage. Get that blood flowing. It really helps to create deliciously plumpy skin. My next step is to go in with my foundation. And I like to use Clé de Peau's Radiant Fluid Foundation. I find this super lightweight, but yeah, it gives me the coverage that I need. I'm a bit greedy with my glow, so I like to mix in a little bit of Charlotte Tilbury Flawless Filter in with my foundation and go straight in on the skin. I like to use my fingers because I'm going for quite a natural look, so I want it to meld into my skin as seamlessly as possible. And as you can see, we've already got quite a glowy base with minimal effort. For me, the key to keeping something glowy and natural is just trying to use minimal product. I then go in with my NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer just to give me the coverage that I need under my eyes and give me the extra highlight. So I'm using a slightly lighter shade just to give my under eye a bit more of a highlight. And I use my finger again because this really helps me to keep the skin looking natural. You can also go in with a beauty blender, slightly damp, also does the same thing. Okay, so I'm now going to go in with my Giorgio Armani Fluid Sheer Glow Enhancer. So I'm just going to focus my glow on the highlights of my cheekbones right at the top, the tip of my nose, and a little on my Cupid's bow, just to help with that pout. One of my favourite parts of achieving a glowy makeup look is using a really cool bronzer. My favourite is the NARS Laguna bronzer. This will work really nicely against the lighter concealer that we used earlier. It will juxtapose right next to it, so the concealer pops and the bronzer looks a little bit more dramatic against it. Just at the top of my temples and into my cheekbones. And then a swipe across my nose. Again, the high points where the sun hits. So my final touch is to add a pop of blush because I want to put the health back into my cheeks for that natural glow. So I'm at the moment using this awesome blusher by Merit Makeup in the colour Cheeky. So I just smile and look into the mirror just to create a pop of colour on the apples of my cheeks. I then go in and tap with my fingers. You can also use a brush. I tend to use the same brush that I'd use to apply my foundation. Using a cream blusher just creates more of a natural flush to the skin. And this one is somewhat infused with this gorgeous radiance. And last but not least, a bit of a lip glow, just to add that beautiful fresh lip that is so important to me for a glowy natural makeup look. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more tips and tricks, feel free to follow me on Instagram. I'm at Minnie_MUA.